Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. We do mainly positional trading strategies, and this video I'm going to find out those stock which forms a patterns in chart. That is what chart patterns that forms today we are going to focus for our tomorrow's trade. And before that, we have yesterday we did some stocks analysis and find out some such a trade opportunity that we have taken based on the candlesticks pattern. The one that is Hindustan Unilever that was entered by end of the day, and Tata Consume that gives you small profit, and then again it forms a shooting star like a candle, and Tata Motors that is giving you such a great profit, and Metropolis we don't have any entry it given, and again it is ending with the lower. This is the pattern where inside out pattern we are taken out, and Hindustan Petrol we are expecting bearish, that is a dark cloud cover, so still we don't have any opportunity. IOC we don't have any opportunity. Once we got a 2 or 3 stocks that gives you small movement, so if you are intraday trader you may be booking profit. If you are a positional trader you should wait for the target because we are taking a such a big stop losses. So that if you are taking a big stop losses, we are going to take a big stop loss. Just a second. So based on candlesticks we do some kind of trading, and now lot of people who are asking about myself. So I was doing more than from 2009 I started this trading until now I was doing the same, and I am a franchisee holder. I have the franchisee with Zebu, and previously I do with Alice Blue from 2013. So still I was doing a broking business as well as trading, but on my behalf of my client. I'm not doing my own trade. So because I'm managing some accounts, and as per my certification, so I'm saying you SEBI certified. Someone who asking about you are SEBI certified, why you are not telling about you are SEBI registered like that? They're asking me on the chats and YouTube comments, so that I'll simply show you my certifications and what I did in the NISM. So NISM is nothing but National Institute of Securities Market. Those who have these certificates, they will do the financial business, right? Financial instrument business. Like my certification. So I will show my certification. What are the certification I have doing right now? Let's show you. Where I can find my certification. Let's go for enrollment, my examinations file. I don't want to. This is myself. My full name is Bala Subramanian Sambad. Sorry. Okay. So my name is full name is Bala Subramanian. And Sambat, Balasubramanian Sambat is my full name. So these are my certificates. These are my certificates where I am doing a mutual fund also, that I was doing on from 2017. Okay, I have the mutual fund distribution certificate, and I have, oh my god, NISM Series 8. That is what a research analyst certificate. This is my research analyst examination where I'm holding the certificate. Let's try to do that. That maybe due to Corona we cannot. I cannot able to attend that classes. Right? Just wait. So this is my research analyst certification. So where I was, it is November 2020, and they are extended to May 21. So I think my certification is expired. I need to do again the certification examination, undergo to going to take a new examination. Then only I can mention. So here I was making a certified by exchange, right? This is what a research analyst where I'm going to certification. So this was I done on 2017, and it was ended, and due to Corona they are extended to 21st. but I don't exact date. But now on next my videos, I'm not going to tell about my certification, right? And I am also the investment advisor. So the level 1 certification which I have, and let's take that what it is exactly. I think that is also maybe expired. I need to be again I am going to do the um, examination. I'm going to do the examination. So and I have equity derivative examination for placing orders. This was expired and level 1. So go for a certificate. Let's check it out. What is the exact expiry? This one is going to expire September 22nd. That I think this month this certificate going to expire. Okay, I should go and complete this exam. And always I'm saying you, I am not a SEBI registered, I am a SEBI certified, because I have the certification but I don't have the qualification to registered with SEBI. So that is the problem, right? So I am a SEBI, not a SEBI registered analyst, I am a SEBI certified research analyst, and also I am a SEBI certified investment advisor, and I have a SEBI certified mutual fund distributor. Now you get clear about myself. I think I was doing with almost 4 or 5 exams with SEBI, and some 2 are expired right now. So I'm going to done, and I'm going to do that. Okay, I think the research analyst examination is expired. I just now seen that because yesterday I got some messages about my qualifications like that in a market. So this is my qualification, right? So now onwards I'm going to stop. I'm not a SEBI, even I'm not a SEBI certified, right? I'm a just SEBI certified investment advisor right now. So once I completed, I can start. I will tell as I'm a SEBI certified. Right now I seen that I'm not a SEBI certified right now. Got it? So these are my certifications, right? Okay, let's move to that. Oh, candlesticks pattern. So how many stocks which forms a today's scanner? So let's go with the single candlesticks pattern. If you find any stocks, I think the spinning top, which is BHL and Coal India, and Hammer, Shooting Star, Doji at top, Doji at bottom, we don't find any. Only two stocks, Coal India and BHEL, both forms a spinning top candle. BHEL, which forms a spinning top candle, that is the exactly highest level of the month. So let's wait. There is a good spinning top, so we will wait for that. Okay, so let's mark it that spinning top on BHEL. Okay, and the second one, Coal India. I think we few days back also we seen that Coal India. What kind of pattern which forms? Think inside out top. So it is already broken that level and it was forming a spinning top. So we are expecting buy level that is already given 146.5, right? This one, this inside out top, right? Now it is making a spinning top. So that is already in like a bullish mode. So we will wait for that. Even if it is breaking that high. Sorry. I think something. So maybe my voice may be a little bit lower. Some issues on my mic. So this one looks good, right? And single candlesticks pattern, we find only two stocks. And as per our double candlesticks pattern, let's check it out. Any reversal pattern which forms today, and bearish engulfing, lot of candle, Manapuram, Tech came, OFSS, and Pidilite. Go for a Manapuram kind of bearish engulfing. There's a big candle which forms a bearish engulfing, right? That was forming at lowest level. And any other candlesticks pattern, only tips are bottom on Concur. And dark cloud, VEDL, IGL, SL Tech, MPSS, Tech M. So a lot of stocks which forms a dark cloud cover. Let's go to check it out. Dark cloud cover, VEDL, IGL, for a VEDL, not good. VL, They're looking good, but 556 to 582 is a big stop loss, and wait for that. And SL take MPSs, SL take which forms perfect. So this is looks good. Bearish is a bearish engulfing. So this is we can focus and we will add to our chart. Add that one and MPSs and take M. Take M forms a bearish angle. Not good. It is a very flat market where you see the market was very flat, up and down, up and down. So when the trending market, if you find this kind of pattern, so there is a reversal we can. So I avoid that. And MPSs. That looks good. So two stocks which we have selected from that kind of two stocks which you have selected for one is HCL Tech, another one is MPSs for a dark cloud cover pattern, and another one user bottom, that is Kankar, which forms a user bottom. I think two matching lows. Yesterday lows 718.05, today 718. So there is another. We'll remove previous drawings. We'll mark here the bottom which forms. There is a bullish we are expecting here whenever it breaks above that level. So this is also be another stock which we are filtering out based on our candlesticks. And either so take a Manapuram bearish engulfing, and Manapuram we have seen not good. Take we already seen not good. Very late, so that I'm not going to focus for. So only few stocks that is forming a dark cloud cover which forms the here the two stocks MPSs and SL looks good, so we can focus from tomorrow for our trades. That one looking good. Here Kankar forms a tuzer bottom, so we'll go for these stocks for a tomorrow, right? So these two are looks good, and previously what we are discussing, so that was working very well on our charts. So just follow the candlesticks pattern. I have already shared most of the candlesticks scanners, and we've only few for a 3 candlesticks that I am not shared yet. Okay, so I'll create a dashboard and then I'll share it to my Telegram channel. So hope this may be useful video, so that we are finding out the stocks for tomorrow. So let's find out what will be a good trade which is present by tomorrow. Until, thank you for watching. Thank you. Keep subscribing my channel. And now this is Bala from Talent Trader. Thank you so much. And I will, once we finish that certification, I will tell you. Now this is Bala here, and again I'm an investment advisor till September 26. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for joining with me, and thanks for being with me, and thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly subscribe the channel to get more up. Thank you.